I brought you your breakfast. I brought you your breakfast. Maybe you should eat something. Maybe you should eat something. I don't have any time. I do not have any time. I don't have time for this nonsense. I don't have time for this nonsense. Come inside. Come inside. Are you coming in or not? Are you coming in or not? Did you drop my phone? Did you drop my phone? Don't go putting this on me. Don't go putting this on me. She has injuries on her hand. She has injuries on her hand. Her hand hurts more than she lets on. Her hand hurts more than she lets on. Where is he? Where is he? He's out playing ball. He's out playing ball. You listen to your mom and do what she says. You listen to your mom and do what she says. You can't just go around doing whatever you want. You can't just go around doing whatever you want. It's easy for you to say. It is easy for you to say. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Why isn't she back yet? Why isn't she back yet? Something must have come up at work. Something must have come up at work. Why are you back so late? Why are you back so late? Just got a little held up at work. Just got a little held up at work. I can't find my yellow t-shirt. I can't find my yellow t-shirt. Where did you put it? Where did you put it? I don't know, Mom. I gave it to you. I don't know, Mom. I gave it to you. Is she home? Is she home? She's out with children. She is out with children. When do you expect her? When do you expect her? I'll tell her you drop by. I'll tell her you drop by. Have her call me tomorrow. Have her call me tomorrow.